Okay, we're on activity 4, page 97. The last section we combined the subject, right? The subject nouns. Here we're going to combine the object. So the object is always after the verb. So it kind of gives us a clue, right? So if I say my verb, my verb, my verb, my object is afterwards. Okay? So the things that are the same in each sentence is Lee speaks Chinese, Lee speaks Korean, Lee speaks English. So those are the ones that are going to stay the same, and you only need to write it one time. So we're combining the object. Lee speaks, so here's my verb. He speaks Chinese, comma, Korean, okay. I always put a comma because when I grew up learning English, they had us put a comma before the end. They changed the rules, so now you don't have to put a comma here, but that's what I grew up learning, so I always put a comma. So I don't think anybody's going to get mad at you if you put a comma there, because some of us grew up with a comma before end. To the book that we're learning, no comma, right? So Lee speaks Chinese, Korean, and English. So I eat scrambled eggs for breakfast. I eat toast for breakfast. I eat fruit for breakfast. So we just need to look for the patterns that are the same. So this is the same. I eat. Okay? And then I eat. The other part that's the same is the word for breakfast. So those pieces will stay the same. Okay? So we need to combine the list of things. We need to combine scrambled eggs, fruit, and toast. So your sentence will keep the orange ones. You only need to write it one time. So I eat. Now it's time for us to connect the other three. I eat scrambled eggs, comma, toast, and fruit. Okay, there's my list. These are the object, and they're nouns. And then we're going to put for breakfast. It should be good again. So the pieces that I kept, again, were I eat, for breakfast. Same pieces, I combined scrambled eggs, toast, and fruit. So this would be a phrase because it tells you what kind of eggs. This is the adjective, eggs. So you can get scrambled eggs, which means it's all mixed up. Sunny side eggs, where it looks like the sun. They call it sunny side because the egg looks like that. Sunny. It looks like the sun. Scrambled is when it's all mixed up. So that's how we combine that one. Let's look at the next one at the bottom. My children play football. My children play video games. The parts that are the same, you only need to write one time. My children. These two pieces will be connected with and. They're the object noun. So you will write my children play football and video games. Okay? So that's how we combine those. We'll go on to the next section, but practice the rest on your own.